Hazrat Bara bin Azib performed prayer in the mosque of his house. Hazrat Mahmud bin Rabi Ansari reports that Hazrat Itban bin Malik radiallahu anhu is one of those companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam who participated in Ghazwa Badr. He went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "O Allah's Apostle, my eyesight has become very much weak, and I lead my people in prayer. When it rains, the water flows in the valley between me and them, so I cannot go to their mosque to lead them in prayer. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I wish that you may come and perform prayer in my house, so that I may make that place as a place of prayer for me." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "I will do that if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills." Hazrat Itban said, next day, when the sun rose high, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu came to me. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the permission to enter, and I submitted the permission. After entering the house, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not sit down. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Where do you want me to perform prayer in your house?" So I pointed to a place in my house. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood there and pronounced takbeer, "Allah is the greatest." So we also got up and made a row. He performed 2 units and finished the prayer by performing salutation. They said, we requested him to stay for a meal called khazira, a food item made of meat, which we had prepared for him. So many people from the neighborhood gathered in the house. Someone said, "Where is Malik bin Dukhayshan or Ibn Dukhshun?" Someone said, "He is hypocrite as he does not love Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do not say so. Don't you see he has said, there is no worthy of worship saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for Allah's pleasure only." He said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden hell for the person who says, there is no worthy of worship saves Allah for Allah's pleasure." Ibn Shihab says, "Then I asked Hussain bin Muhammad Ansari, who was a member of Bani Salim and one of their chiefs, about the hadith of Mahmud bin Rabi, and he endorsed it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 425.